Hello, Darius from DeFu. Today we're talking about supply chain security, an often overlooked but crucial aspect of cybersecurity. Cybercriminals don't always target businesses directly. They may attack your suppliers or partners to gain access to your systems. That's why it's important to evaluate and manage the security of your entire supply chain. Start by assessing your vendors. When choosing a supplier or service provider, make sure they have strong cybersecurity practices in place. Ask about their data protection policies, incident response plans, and compliance with relevant security standards such as ISO 27001 or SOC 2. If a vendor has weak security, it can introduce risks to your business. Conduct regular audits of your supplier's security measures. This might include reviewing their security certifications, requesting penetration test results, or requiring them to complete a cybersecurity questionnaire. Regular audits can help you identify potential vulnerabilities and ensure that your partners are maintaining high security standards. Limit third-party access to your systems. Only give vendors the minimum level of access needed to perform their services and ensure that access is regularly reviewed and revoked when no longer necessary. Use tools like virtual private networks, VPNs, firewalls and access controls to restrict what vendors can do within your systems. Finally, monitor for signs of compromise within your supply chain. Keep an eye on unusual activity such as unexpected file transfers, unauthorized access attempts, or changes to critical systems. Set up alerts and have a response plan ready in case you detect a potential supply chain attack. If you want to ensure you see these daily videos through the month of October, then head over to our LinkedIn page and give us a follow, and over to our YouTube channel and give us a subscribe. Strengthening your supply chain helps protect your business from indirect attacks. Tomorrow, we'll look at the topic of security regulations and what businesses need to know to stay compliant. Stay tuned and stay secure.